WRMV9 Special Edition. The box of this cube looks like the boxes of big cubes from Moyu. New accessory tools box look. I love the P-Cube logo on the cap. Look at that internal. This is the original V9 ball core. The cube is so dry and sandy as usual. Special Edition has a smaller corner to core magnets. And the edge-repelling magnets are removed. Baby blue internals look awesome. This is a lot more stable than the original V9 out of the box, but a bit too fast for my liking. No more auto alignment, which is good. I'll set this cube up, break it in, and we'll post an update. Follow for more unboxing and tutorials.